I'm gonna make a big change here, guys, but this car's gotta go. So I want to know what you guys think I should do with it. Sell it, trade it, raffle it off, or part it out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first visit, my name is Paul, and if you're into Mustangs, then you're going to want to click on this little subscribe button right about here. As far as today goes, just a short little video just letting you guys know I'm going to make a big change and decided to let this turbo notch go. But to be totally honest, I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do that. I'm kind of contemplating whether or not I'm going to sell it outright or trade it, or raffle it off, or even maybe part it out. I'm not exactly sure. So if anyone's interested in the car, certainly reach out to me. All my contact information will be in the description box. And if you want to learn a little bit more about the car, I got several videos on my channel. And maybe you want to start with the turbo notch build video. It's a montage video of the build to current date, so that'll give you a pretty good overview of where the car is at. That said, I'd be interested to hear what you guys think I should do with the car. So drop in a comment, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and as always, thanks for watching.